I'm doing good.
Long time no
It
see.
has been,
How
yeah,
are
since
you
like
doing?
last year or
I
something.
know, a lot of things.
Yeah, are you still in your same job or what are you doing?
No, I'm still working at the Super Archives.
Okay, great.
You know,
Yeah.
I see you got Dan's rendition of Susa.
Yeah. Yes, I did. Yeah, and thanks to, I guess. Have you heard this?
Yeah,
Oh, it's cool.
it is.
I bet it is.
Yeah, and he's very like gung ho, and we provided him with our manuscript, and he did the arrangement for the guitars.
Yeah.
So very nice to
That's
work
crazy.
with.
That's
So
great.
He was like so excited. He
Yeah.
was like so happy to get things in the deal.
So you worked directly with him in putting that together?
Well, we just provided him with his primary sources.
I see.
And
Okay.
he did his own
Okay.
thing. But
Yeah.
he was very nice to work with.
Yeah.
Very friendly. He keeps us updated on his thing,
Yeah.
when he plays places. Put out his CD, and he was featured in a magazine. One of the guitars.
It'd be a good NPR interview, I think.
Totally.
Yeah.